As you might know, Cathie Wood, the chief of Ark Investment Management, is the new hotshot investor on Wall Street. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into Cathie Wood's latest choice of top 10 stocks of this year, as revealed by her SEC 13F filings. Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, go ahead and tap the subscribe button and turn the post notifications on so that you don't miss out on any new video uploads. Show us your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Are you keen on making money in the stock market? Let us know in the comments section below. Now back to the video. Cathie Wood is a billionaire investor holding assets worth more than $53.7 billion, with holdings concentrated in the technology, consumer goods, and healthcare sectors. She has managed to surprise the financial world and her competitors by picking stocks through never-before-seen strategies. In an interview with CNBC's Tech Check, Wood explained how her portfolio is growth-focused even though some of those stocks were caught in a short-selling whirlwind in the second quarter of the year. Even when a dwindling trend shadowed many growth stocks and uncertainty gripped the crypto market in regards to regulation, Ark Innovation ETF was up 9% in 2021's second quarter. Cathie Wood is the largest institutional holder of cryptocurrencies and has reportedly doubled down on tech-related bets. Wood terms her investing strategy as Disruptive Innovation. This simply means that Wood chooses companies that provide a technologically enabled new product or service that has the potential to bring major changes to the conventional industrial setup. This is Wood's take on revolutionary technology. Disruptive innovation is often not priced correctly by traditional investment strategies because people may not understand how big the ultimate opportunities are going to be. They aren't sizing the opportunity and they aren't analyzing the disruption. The Ark Investment Management portfolio holds stocks of industry giants like Twitter Inc., Square Inc., JD.com, Tesla Inc., and Facebook Inc., among many others. Now let's take a look at the 10 most sought-after stocks as laid bare by Cathie Wood. Number 10. Robinhood Markets Inc., NASDAQ, Hood. On July 29th, Woods' company, Ark Investment Management, purchased over 1 million shares of Robinhood Markets on its opening day of trading, for a total of $45.2 million. As of September 27th, Cathie Wood owns more than 5 million of its shares. They add up to $233 million in its worth. On September 22nd, the value of its shares rose by almost 11% after Robinhood announced plans to launch select crypto wallets in October. The company's revenue in Quarter 2 rose 131% year-over-year to $565 million, surpassing market estimates by $5.78 million. Number 9. TuSimple Holdings Inc. As of August 5, 2021, Cathie Wood owns more than 6 million shares worth $461 million of this San Diego-based truck company. It constitutes 0.85% of Ark Investment Management's total holdings. Cathie Wood began her investment in this company's stocks on April 15, 2021 for two of her ETFs, Ark Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF and Ark Innovation ETF. The company's revenue in 2021's second quarter increased to $1.48 million from $263,000 in the second quarter of 2020. As the stock market showed, TuSimple Holdings is in a dominant position in the autonomous trucking industry. Number 8. Recursion Pharmaceuticals Inc. This company rose to relevance owing to its technology-enabled drug discovery. The company uses artificial intelligence and machine learning for its operations. This lowers the cost of drug discovery and brings these drugs to retail faster. This innovative approach is now revolutionizing the biopharmaceutical industry. Exactly 0.16% of Ark Investment Management's total holdings are Recursion Pharma's stocks. This means Wood owns more than 2 million of its shares, adding up to $86.8 million. The company made its first public offering on April 19th, and Wood bought 72,660 shares for her Ark Genomic Revolution ETF. Recursion Pharmaceuticals have displayed an impressive growth as it rose from $186,000 revenue in the second quarter of 2020 to $2.5 million. Number 7. Berkeley Lights Inc. Cathie Wood, as of September 27, 2021, holds 4.75 million shares of Berkeley Lights Inc., which amounts to $101 million in her Ark Innovation ETF. Additionally, she bought 3.89 million shares worth $82.8 million for her Ark Genomic Revolution ETF. The company's revenue in the Quarter 2 of 2021 grew 82% year-over-year to $19.3 million. Number 6. Verve Therapeutics Inc. Verve Therapeutics is a Massachusetts-based company in the field of biotechnology. The company develops gene editing drugs for the treatment of cardiovascular diseases. On July 12th, Cathie Wood purchased 24,634 shares of the company. As of September 27th, her Ark Genomic Revolution ETF holds over 1 million shares of Verve Therapeutics, which is worth $63.6 million. Number 5. UiPath Inc. UiPath Inc. is a New York-based artificial intelligence company. It creates software for what is known as robotic process automation, or RPA. RPA has a lot of practical applications in industries like finance, operations, and customer service, among numerous others. UiPath has a unique pricing model, broad partner ecosystem, and thoughtful management team supporting one of the strongest growth profiles in technology. More than 11 million shares of this company, that amounts to $860 million in worth, constitutes a whopping 1.5% of Ark Investment Management's total holdings. The company's revenue exceeded the market's estimates by $9.03 million by amassing a wealth of $195.5 million. Number 4. Etsy Inc. As of the 5th of August 2021, Woods' hedge fund owned 353,421 stakes in Etsy Inc. that was worth $72.7 million. This constitutes 0.13% of the whole of Ark Investment Management's holdings. In the second quarter of 2021, the company's revenue was $528.9 million. The company displayed a 14.2% increase in its year-over-year gross merchandise sales, valued at $3.04 billion. The stock has gained 27% year-to-date. Etsy ranks as the fourth largest e-commerce site in the US. Returning customers have grown by almost 100% by the years, despite the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Market analysis still view Etsy as a platform in its early stages of expansion. Analysis leverages the possibilities of Etsy's growth in its ability to compound its value for shareholders at a substantial rate in the coming months. Number 3. Coinbase IPO. Cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase entered the stock market this year on April 14th. It was priced at $250 a share. Its stock closed its first day of trading after going up a good 31.3% for a valuation of $87.3 billion. The new stake in Coinbase represents another one of the Ark Investment stocks that offers more exposure to cryptocurrencies. On April 14th, Wood purchased $246 million worth of shares in the company's IPO. According to her latest SEC 13F filings, the hedge fund owned more than 5 million shares of the company. The company's revenue in the second quarter came in at $2.23 billion and beat revenue estimates by $345.98 million. Coinbase Global Inc. had 8.8 million monthly transaction users in Quarter 2, 2021, up from 1.5 million users in Quarter 2, 2020. Number 2. Okta Inc. Okta Inc. is an identity management company based in San Francisco. The company gives small and medium-sized businesses a platform for their enterprise identity management. Hamza Fodderwala, a Morgan Stanley analyst, observed that Okta is undoubtedly bound to profit from the ever-expanding market of identity and access management. The company's revenue in the second quarter grew 57% year-over-year to $316 million and beat revenue estimates by $22.3 million. Its stocks have risen by 11.68% in value in the past year. Number 1. The Walt Disney Company. The Walt Disney Company is the largest establishment in the entertainment industry. It replaced Tesla as Cathie Wood's new top pick. Cathie Wood sold off $270 million worth of Tesla stocks towards the end of September as the tech sector sell-off took over the stock market. Cathie Wood reportedly sold off a massive chunk of her Tesla holdings because of the losses that were being incurred due to other tech company stocks coming under pressure. Despite this, Tesla stock remains one of the top Ark Invest stocks with a whopping 10% weighting in the company's portfolio. In mid-January, Ark Invest projected that Tesla stock could reach up to $3,000 a share in 2025. About 0.04% Ark Investment Management's holdings are taken up by this entertainment giant. The hedge fund owns 152,406 shares of the Walt Disney Company. These shares are worth a total of $26.7 million. On September 28th, Wells Fargo projected that the Walt Disney Company stock will hit a price target of $203 per share. And we've reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Was this video helpful for your stock investment research? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to not miss any further releases. Share this video with your fellow stock market enthusiasts. See y'all in the next video.